How to download Steam on your laptop and PC. For this first step, you need to open up browser, go to the official website of Steam. This is the official website. Click install Steam. Once you clicking after it start downloading the Steam. After download complete after click the setup. It start installing. Wait for a couple of seconds to install completely. Click next. Select your language. Click next and select the destination folder. Click install. Once the installation is complete after you can open up the Steam application by login. Click finish. When the installation is completed, Steam will open automatically and wait for a couple of seconds. Let Steam update. First time you open time Steam, it may download the latest update. Wait for the update to finish. Steam will restart automatically if completed after. Once complete after, you need to sign in or create an account. If you already have the account, means you can sign in. If you are new to Steam, means you need to create an account. After that, you can sign in. Thank you.